Hello sir, good evening.
Okay.
So dito na naman tayo for another video.
Yes.
And right now, nasaan tayo ngayon sir?
Nasaan nga ba?
Oh, ikaw sir, tanong ko, nasaan tayo ngayon?
Yes, actually, nandito tayo sa Maple at Verdun Towers.
Yes.
Saan ba to? Sa Pasig,
Pasig.
Tendisitas, di ba?
So-
So, very accessible. So, ano nga ba ang gagawin natin ngayon?
So magkakaroon tayo ng guest sir ngayon na
Oh.
actually siya ang unit owner kung nasaan tayo nag-shoot ngayon.
Owner,
So
itong bahay na
yes,
to.
yes, itong mismong
Itong
itong
unit na
setup natin ngayon sir. Sa kanya mismo tong unit na to. So
Okay.
we will ask, magtatanong-tanong tayo sa kanya sir kung bakit Maple yung kinuha niya. So let's welcome
Yep.
our guest. Pasok. Sir, pasok. May guest.
Ayan,
Hello,
si
sir. Good evening, sir.
Oh, good evening po.
Thank you po sa pagpapatuloy niyo sa amin dito sa sa inyong tahanan. So sir, if you don't mind sir, good evening. May mga questions lang naman kami. Very basic question lang naman to. So
I hope hindi tayo nakaka-istorbo kay sir.
nakaka-istorbo ba kayo?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
It's an opportunity actually to showcase our project, ang New Ortigas here at Maple at Verdun.
Ayan.
Actually, unang pasok ko pa lang sir kanina dito sa unit niya, manghang-mangha ako kasi sobrang ganda.
Kaya nga.
Well designed, well interior talaga siya.
Well, I heard, talagang siya lang din ang nag-design. No?
Oo. Totoo ba yun sir na ikaw
Yes,
lang dito? Wow,
actually, yeah.
ang ganda sir.
Actually, it's a personal touch. That's why medyo yung nakikita niyo talaga ano yan.
So saan
All in my mind lang.
paano kayo nagka-idea sir na ganito maging setup ng unit?
Well, just to give an ano lang with the future buyers nyo, no. Actually, very accessible na ngayon yung mga Pinterest, mga ganyan. So, you can easily access those kind of designs na gugustuhin mo. Then just have to enhance na lang para at least hindi man siya pareho-pareho but at least similar to.
Similar to.
So, isi-save lang yon. Tapos,
Oo
kakopy yung design.
Mm-mm.
So, bibili na lang sa bilihan ng mga designers, materials. Alright. So,
So we have a couple of questions pa sir aside from that is that bakit nga ba Maple ang kinuha niyo sir as unit owner po?
Well, number one kasi when I started joining Ortigas before, sabi ko na nagandahan ako doon sa facade ng building. Hindi pa namin nakita yung actual unit before, but then nung tinutour ako, nung ino-orient ako during the time, nagustuhan ko yung facade number one ni Maple and the location itself. Kasi it's a very good location number one, no? Tapos pangalawa is yung development itself. No? Maganda talaga siya, very enticing, especially if you have your family. Very futuristic yung dating. Kasi if you just to give an idea, we're going to have parang redevelopment in this area. So this is going to be the next parang connecting with the other estate development.
so yung buong Tendisitas yun, sir.
Yes, oo. So we're going
actually
to
kasi,
have 5-story parang mall.
Kasi walking distance lang from
Yes.
here yung Chendisitas na sir.
Yes.
Yan.
So,
So,
second question,
anong second?
ano yung una mong impression nung nakita mo?
Ayun nga sir, sabi niya nga kanina sir, the facade itself. You know,
yes.
Kahit naman sino sir, kapag facade pa lang ng isang building or tower, pag unang tingin mo, ang ganda ng tower na to, ng building na to. Yun pa lang, ayun na si sir eh. Nahikayat na siya, na-encourage na siya na bumili ng Maple.
Parang may gustong sumali, no? Sa interview.
Marami kasing alaga na dog si sir dito sa unit yan. Yun pa guys. Pet friendly ang Maple at Verdun Tower. Yan. So unlike the other developers, yan, perfect to sa inyo kung mahilig kayo sa pets. Yan.
Okay.
So andito sila actually. Yan.
Pero, can you say something? So, yung specific na feature ng amenity?
Actually, usually yung amenities very talaga siya, very relaxed when you go to the swimming pool. It's not the usual type na swimming pool lang na punta ka doon, ganun. Pero ito kasi medyo resort type yung dating niya. So, yun yung ano niya. Hindi mo siya ganun kalaki, pero very very appealing, no? Lalo na sa family, ganyan. Maganda yung amenities niya, actually.
If you don't mind sir, kailan na turn over itong tower and yung unit nyo mismo po?
Actually, yung unit ko, na-turnover siya ng July.
Last year
Last
po,
year.
2025.
Kaya,
Yes.
pagpasok ko, may bago talaga.
Actually, lahat. From elevator, lobby, sir.
Yes.
When it comes to security, ang maganda dito, sir, hindi ka kagad makakakyat sa unit kasi tatawag muna sa lobby, the guards. tatawag muna sa unit owners kung guest ba nila yung papasok.
Kanina yung
Diba?
pag-park ko, akala ko hindi ako makapag-park.
Kasi 'di ba kung malalaman mo kung mataas ang security ng isang property, kung sa lobby pa lang hinaharang ka na. That's
Yes,
perfect
correct.
for our
Actually, very yung safety niya, very ano siya, maganda yung safety ng building.
Alright. So, kumusta naman yung buying experience mo, sir?
When it comes to buying experience, okay din siya, very friendly yung binigay sa amin na payment terms.
With the ano yan, sir, dun sa developer, which is Ortigas.
Yes, may down payment lang siya na very minimal. So, makaka-move in ka na. So, yun yung parang pinaka-latest namin ngayon na offering.
Wow.
Yes,
Ayun
10%
ang maganda.
lang you can move in na. Yun. So, you don't need to wait for a bank
Sir,
loan.
unit owner ka, kami seller.
Yeah, I mean, hindi. Just in case you have your clients in the future, at least you can offer it.
Yeah, kasi actually, ito sir, kakatan natin.
Yeah.
Bali yung na-avail kasi ni sir na payment term dito, nag-down lang siya, nakapag-move in na siya. Very minimal down payment, tama ba sir?
Yes.
Yan. So sa mga gustong kumuha din ng Maple, yan. Perfect na sa inyo kasi minimal lang down payment, pwede nyo nang lipatan. And when it comes to documents, sir, ano mang nire-require sa inyo as buyer?
The usual stuff, no? Na
Yeah.
ID, valid IDs, ganyan. Yung basic.
Hindi naman sila mahigpit sa
Hindi
Ortigas.
sila
na
ganun
lang.
ka-tedious, no?
So, hindi mahirap magpasa.
Hindi siya mahirap. Hindi siya mahirap.
Yeah.
Hindi siya mahirap. Hindi siya mahirap magpasok ng benta or bumili ng property sa Ortigas. Very lenient siya when it comes to clients. No? Basta ano lang, syempre we do some screening, of course. We want to protect also our mga neighborhoods, ganyan. So we at least we want to know na okay yung background ng mga buyers.
Yeah.
So, before you alam namin na nakapag-decide ka na. No? So, parang meron lang akong konting questions na meron bang hesitations bago kayo nag-decide? Parang hesitations na, ay, kukunin ko ba to o hindi?
Actually, wala. When I first saw the property kasi, nagustuhan ko na siya. Kasi prior to this, meron na rin akong property sa ibang developer. Pero, iba talaga yung feel pag Ortigas eh. Iba yung ano yan, yung parang vibes niya.
ambience,
Iba
ganyan sa
iba talaga. Kumbaga, you can compare it with the other developers na high-end. Oo.
Kasi dito
Pero
sir,
yung price niya, hindi siya ganun kataas. As compared with the others.
So, swak na swak pala talaga.
Oo, actually.
malalaki ang cuts ni Ortigas
Yes,
land, sir, unlike the other developers na parang 3 tao lang kasya. Dito pa lang sa unit mo, sir, ilang square meter po ito?
89.
89, 3 bedrooms, right, sir?
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms with 89 square meter. Sobrang okay yun.
So, ayoko na
Sobrang
gusto ko sanang i-request na ikutin, kaya lang, hindi
perfect
natin
to,
pwede ikutin.
perfect to sa end user, sir. Yan.
Yes,
Kasi kung end use ka, syempre ang kailangan mo malaking cuts kasi hindi mo lang
Yes,
kaya.
Pang pamilya talaga.
Pang pamilya talaga.
Pang pamilya. In fact, napakalapit niya sa lahat. May mga churches, ganun. As I've mentioned a while ago, yung property ni itong East Ortigas na we're going to have a redevelopment. Magkakaroon ng mga hotel components, mga ganyan. Tapos meron na ngayong existing na church, which is yung CCF.
Yes.
And then magkakaroon din ng Catholic church, mga ganyan. So, I mean, everything is already in this area. Parang-
Everything is within the reach,
Yes,
kumbaga,
yes,
sir, no?
yes.
So, sa tingin mo, sir, para kanino kaya ang Maple at Verdant?
Actually, I would say Maple is really for family oriented talaga na buyers, no? Kasi number one, pet friendly, maganda yung amenities, no? Even my kids, no, they enjoy the gym, the swimming pool,
Yes.
the entertainment room. They can actually they always bring their friends here. So nag-enjoy sila sa billiard hall, mga ganon. So very 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 friendly, very family-oriented ang
So,
Maple.
hindi siya, sir, sa mga visitors naman, sir, hindi naman, okay lang naman sa...
Yung strict, gano'n? Hindi ba masyadong
basta
strict?
lang, we just have
Ipapaalam.
to inform them na meron tayong bisita, which is the usual stuff na...
Which is good naman, sir, di ba?
Oh, yun yung
nangyari
dinalo.
sa atin, di ba?
Yun yung dinanan natin kanya na, na security.
Yes, for the security
Protocols.
purposes, yes.
Okay, so for the people listening right now,
Yes. And watching also.
yeah,
Wala na sa radyo.
watching.
Yes.
So yung mga nag-iisip na bibili ba o hindi pa, ano kayang may advice mo?
I think, it's the best time to buy right now, especially when the market is not really... actually, hindi ko sasabihin na it's not good, no? Actually, this is the best time to buy. Especially this during our parang yung present situation natin. Kasi whether the situation of the economics is not good or it's good or bad, real estate is still the number one. Parang in your mind where to put the money. Kasi regardless of the current situation, your money will really grow, would really appreciate as compared with the other investment, you know.
Yes.
Yun nga yung
agree,
lagi ko
sir.
sinasabi na,
Ano kasi, with real estate kasi, very ano siya eh, parang hindi ka parang mag-worry. It's a worry-free investment because number one, you're in a good developer. That's number one. And then, properties really, no matter what happens, it's going to appreciate
Yes.
over time. Hindi
Yes.
naman over time, at least long term.
Talagang
Long
eventually,
term, yes.
eventually.
Oo, kasi fluctuating pag dollars, paano kung hindi maganda yung economy natin, right? So with real estate kasi, regardless of the situation,
Even
you'll
even
have your
crisis.
money, you'll have your investment grow
Yeah.
regardless of the situation.
Correct.
Parang ang pinaka-point dyan, sir.
So it's really the best time to
Yeah.
invest. in
Kumbaga,
real estate.
ang lagi natin to naririnig, sir, when it comes to real estate, the best time to buy is today.
Today is
Laging
now.
yan, today, now.
Wag ka
Yes,
nang
oo.
wag ka nang alam mo na, yung mag-iisip pa kung bibili ba o hindi
Hindi.
pa.
Kung you have your extra money, then why not put
Why
your
not
money
invest?
there?
Yes, invest.
Kasi like I've been a believer of condominium. I've been in the industry for 27 years. So
Wow.
I've seen a lot of my clients happy with their investment.
Okay, sir.
Like I myself now, I bought a studio at 3.5 million. Now I was able to sell it at 6 million, mga ganun.
Ganun talaga ang mangyayari, magdodoble,
Oo,
triple pa
magdodoble
talaga.
That's why it's really good to invest in a real estate.
Yes.
You just have to wait talaga. Yeah.
So,
Patience, ganun.
siguro ang last na lang natin no para hindi mo masyadong ma-storm si sir. So
No,
in one sentence, paano mo ma-describe ang Maple at Verdant?
Quality.
Yes.
Quality.
Perfect.
Yes. Quality siya.
yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi kung wala din naman maganda quality, sir, wala din talaga.
Yan yung-
Number talaga hanapin ng buyer dito.
Why
yung
quality? Because the workmanship, no? I've been here for like couple of months pa lang, and yet I've seen parang yung pagkaka-deliver niya sa amin. Happy naman kami in terms of parang yung pagkaka-deliver is hindi siya yung parang like if you notice in the unit, wala akong masyadong woodworks na ginawa. Kasi with the other developer or development na condominium, you have to enhance the walling, parang gano'n. Dito hindi na kasi. You just have to put in some
furniture
pieces, mga gano'n, mga appliances that would match to the unit itself.
Wala yung parang modification
Yes,
talaga
wala
na very
Like,
very
even the CR, parang okay na siya. You don't need to add up anything pa. Parang yung money na binayaran is really worth it. That's why I said quality.
So yun nga yung palagi kong sinasabi na kailangan hindi ka lang sa una excited, kailangan long-term excitement.
excitement. Ang
And
meron ka.
magpapasalamat ka talaga na binili ko ito,
Yung property.
yung
Yes,
property
that's
na ito.
That's
Kasi worth it yung
Investment.
Yes,
Yes.
that's right.
So, lahat yan mag-run into investment. Kasi in the
Yes.
future, sir, malay mo, ibenta mo rin to.
Oh,
Siyempre,
yeah.
mabibenta
So,
mo rin
for
to in
sure.
higher price to, sir.
For sure. Kasi it's not the only residential condo that we're going to build in this area. Actually, Maple is we still have 2 towers to develop.
So, currently, isang tower pa lang to, sir.
Ito pa lang yung
Yes.
work. So, I'm sure pag may mga upcoming buyers in the next towers, iba na yung price.
Price, most like, yeah,
Yes.
definitely tataas talaga
Yeah.
yung value. So, do you have any questions, sir?
I think yun na kasi
Ayun na,
parang
all
kakain
goods
na
na
yata
tayo.
tayo.
So, thank you, sir, for
Salamat,
guesting
salamat.
to our
Yeah, thank you also
Their
for
show.
considering our project.
Thank
So,
you, sir.
thank you.
Lagay.
Bye.
Yeah, see you guys next to our next video. Bye. Oh, di ba?